Introducing the TV Monitor Organizer, a sleek and versatile addition to your entertainment setup that goes beyond aesthetics to redefine your viewing experience. This isn't just any organizer. It's a thoughtfully designed piece that combines functionality with style, bringing order to your media peripherals and enhancing the overall ambiance of your space. Say goodbye to cable chaos and scattered remotes, and welcome the TV Monitor Organizer into your living room, because your entertainment center deserves an upgrade. This organizer isn't just a storage solution, it's a media command center. With its carefully crafted compartments and cable management features, it effortlessly corrals your remotes, gaming controllers, and other entertainment essentials. No more digging through the couch cushions or entangling a web of cables. The TV Monitor Organizer is here to streamline your media setup. It's not just an organizer, it's a lifestyle enhancer. But let's talk about practicality. This isn't just any entertainment accessory, it's a space-saving wizard. Its compact design doesn't hog precious shelf or tabletop space, leaving your entertainment area looking sleek and uncluttered. The TV Monitor Organizer is not just about storage, it's about maximizing efficiency in your media center. It's not just an organizer, it's a spatial optimization genius. And installation? A breeze. No need to summon the spirits of handymen past or decipher complicated instructions. The TV Monitor Organizer comes with user-friendly assembly, ensuring that you can enjoy the benefits of an organized entertainment space without the headache of setup. It's like having a personal media butler, efficient and ready to serve. But wait, there's more. This organizer isn't just about practicality, it's about style. With its sleek design and modern aesthetic, the TV Monitor Organizer adds a touch of sophistication to your entertainment area. It's not just an organizer, it's a statement piece that enhances the visual appeal of your living space. Picture this. You, comfortably seated in front of your TV, everything you need neatly organized in the TV Monitor Organizer. It's not just about entertainment, it's about creating an immersive and clutter-free media experience. Your living room is not just a space, it's a well-organized entertainment haven equipped with the TV Monitor Organizer. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Thanks for watching.